Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Kingston and we're currently on Waterloo Road. The time is 3:30 and we're in a little traffic. But this is Waterloo Road. Okay, at the lights in front of us, the road to the left is South Avenue and to go straight across the light we'll stay on Waterloo Road. On the right is the Immigration and Citizenship Services. And then on the right now is the German embassy. Okay, we're now at the stoplight. That green wall to the right, that's the entrance to Jojo. And turn left will take us onto South Avenue. Where that Prada just went into, that's the entrance to Jojo, which is a eating establishment, jerk chicken, those kind of things. Okay, so we're driving on Waterloo Road. Okay, coming up on the left now, where the white wall is, that's the Terranova Hotel. And on the right is the coconut board. And this car is impeding traffic, and I don't think we're supposed to make that turn. But driving in Jamaica, I guess people do mostly what they want. Okay, on the left is the entrance to Terranova. Okay, on the right, you're going to see the Canadian embassy. Okay, this intersection now is the intersection of Waterloo Road with West Kings House Road. Now to go straight across the light, we're going to go on Upper Waterloo Road. To turn left or right, that would take us on to West Kings House Road. Okay, so we're now going across the light, so we're now going on to Upper Waterloo Road. On the left is a new plaza that has Wendy's, Starbucks, Fontana. That property where it's built used to be known as the Cholera Cemetery. Okay, on the left we're coming up to, not yet, but on the right is Annette Crescent. Now, on the left, this building is Megamart. Okay, on the left now is the Ligor Business Center. That used to be where Pepper's used to be, another famous restaurant. Okay, we're coming up to an intersection now. To turn right, you would go into Drumblair. We're going to keep left and stay on Upper Waterloo Road. Upper Waterloo Road has a lot of apartments. As you can see, these motorbike men are, or these motorbike riders are some of the worst riders in Jamaica. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection of Upper Waterloo Road and Shortwood Road. So if we were to turn left or right at the light, we would go on Shortwood Road. Okay, we're now at the intersection. There you have a motorbike that actually waiting on the light to turn green, which is very surprising in Jamaica. Here you can see another motorbike just came up and ran the red light.